Well, hey again, everybody. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in this video, this is going to be a story about lead-acid batteries. So, if you're still a user of lead-acid batteries, you might find this useful, and it might save you some catastrophic failure and expense on replacing your lead-acid batteries. Now, I've had 3 lead-acid batteries go bad on me just in the past month. And I would have never known it if it wasn't for this meter that I've got up here that's made by Trimetric. That's a column meter, and I've got all kinds of other column meters in here, but nothing quite like that Trimetric. And the difference between the other column meters that I have and the Trimetric is the Trimetric will actually show you positive charge above what you take out of it. In other words, when you discharge a battery bank and put power back into it, there's usually not much of a difference between 5 and 10 amps difference between what comes in and comes out. So what the Trimetric did, it showed me, and I just started seeing it gradually happen, is that more and more as the days went on, I was putting more power back into the battery bank than what I was taking out. So when I saw that, I said, okay, well, there's probably a problem with one of the batteries. So on the first one, I went out and took my voltmeter out there and checked the batteries. And since I've got a 48-volt system, of course, I've got 4 12-volt batteries in a string. So took my meter and put it on batteries, and sure enough, 3 of the batteries were okay, and 1 of them was really low. And what can be catastrophic about it is when you got a battery that's going bad, what it is the sulfation is shorting out the plates. So the voltage that's going through those batteries is being passed through that bad battery, and it's increasing the voltage on the other 3 batteries and overcharging them. So if you let that go on for too long, what's going to end up happening is you're going to severely overcharge your batteries, and you're going to lose those batteries too eventually. So seeing that Trimetric showed me that I was putting in more than 10 amps in than I was taking out, that made me suspicious to go out and check, and sure enough, I found it. And right after I replaced that battery, it wasn't about a week later, I had 2 of them at the same time go out. And I was seeing 30, 40 amps more going in than what was going out. And I said, uh-oh, there's another battery or 2 going bad. So go out there and check it again, and sure enough, in 2 different strings, I had 2 bad batteries. Now, if I hadn't had that Trimetric meter up there showing me that and let that go on for very long, I would have destroyed all four batteries in each string, and well, that would have ended up being 8 batteries altogether. And these are big ass batteries, and they cost like $250 a piece. So we're talking like $2,000 if I hadn't caught it like I did. So anyway, that's just a story that I wanted to relate to you guys that might help you if you're still using lead acid batteries. This is a way for you to monitor your batteries so that you can be sure that you've got some good stable batteries. So I think that's about it. All I got to tell you about that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.